Hey, I'm Alex and I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to clean your makeup brush. First, you're going to need your solid brush cleanser by Clean Color. This is awesome and it smells like candy and it's so easy to use. You're going to want to get all your brushes out of your brush bag or wherever you have your brushes, and you're going to need 2 pots, I guess, of water. You could get any type of plastic container, just add water, and you're gonna dip your brush into the solid cleanser and you're gonna roll it around and you're gonna rinse it right there, and you're gonna dip it again in the solid cleanser, and you are gonna keep on doing that and scrub it like really good, like if it were your hair, like if you were scrubbing your hair. And then you're gonna wanna just rinse it in water a couple of times, just like swirl it around like in the another container obviously, and then you're gonna squeeze all the water out and you could see that it's pretty clean. That's what I do for my face brushes, and for my makeup brushes, like for my eye brushes, I do exactly the same. It's nothing bad's going to happen to it. This is actually really good. It does not dry out your brushes, but it cleans them very well. And I don't know how it does it, that when you rinse it to that water, like to the first thingy of water, and then you rinse it to the second one, just like roll it around again, the water is like clear. You can see right now that I'm gonna show that the water is really clean, and the other one's like pretty dirty, but I don't know why. You can see right here the first water that I was rinsing it with the cleanser, I only changed it once. After washing my face brushes, I changed it for my eyeshadow brushes. And the second like pot of water was completely, it was like still see-through, so it wasn't that dirty, but that's like awesome. Oh, hello there. I'm gonna show you guys how to dry your brushes. You just need a rubber band, like a hair rubber band or whatever, and you're gonna roll it. Like I can't explain it in words, you could just see what I'm doing right there. You're basically gonna put like your brush through it, and then whatever thing that you have like in your bed or whatever you could hang it on, just put it from the back and then it should be secure. You're gonna want to hang them upside down so the water could fall. And yeah, you just leave them overnight and they should be completely dry. You could put 2 brushes or 3 brushes in the same rubber band. Just make sure the bristles are not touching each other.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Here's a video of how dirty my makeup, bag case was, and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it. You're basically gonna need a baby wipe, and you're gonna need a little bit of water, micellar water, I don't know how you say it, micellar water. Put it into the baby wipe. You're gonna want to scrub like really, not too hard, but you're gonna want to like scrub the bag, the kit, where you put your brushes, and just clean it, just wipe it all around, just really get in there. You'll be surprised like how dirty it is, even if it doesn't look that dirty. Make sure to always clean the back and like every part of the makeup bag, because you touch that and it gets dirty, like your hands produce oil and that's really bad for your skin. Yeah, and basically after wiping it with the baby wipe with micellar water, you're just gonna get a normal baby wipe and you're gonna clean it to not leave it greasy or anything, and as well as the brushes, you're gonna leave it to dry overnight. And yeah, that's basically it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like if you like, and see you next time.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.